Welcome back children to the third video of the lesson The Farmer and the Moneylender. We learned that finally the farmer found Ram in the form of a poor and hungry man. Ram said that he is Ram. What do you want of me? Then the farmer told the whole story, and Ram, taking pity on him, gave him a conch shell and showed him how to blow it in a particular way, saying, "Remember, whatever you wish for, you have only to blow the conch that way, and your wish will be fulfilled. Only be careful of that moneylender, for even magic is not proof against his wiles." The farmer went back to his village rejoicing. In fact, the moneylender noticed his high spirits at once, and he came to his house and congratulated him. He said that he had heard all about the happiness and good fortune of the farmer. Before long, the farmer found himself telling the whole story, all except the secret of blowing the conch, for with all his simplicity, the farmer was not quite such a fool as to tell that. Nevertheless, the moneylender determined to have the conch by hook or by crook, by any means. He thought of stealing the conch, and as he was villain enough not to stick at trifles, he waited for a favorable opportunity and stole it. But trying so hard, he could not blow the conch. He was obliged to give up the secret as a bad job. However, being determined to succeed, he went back to the farmer and said, "Now, my friend, I have got your conch, but I can't use it, and you haven't got it, so it's clear that you can't use it either. Let me promise to give you back your conch and never to interfere with your using it on one condition, which is this: whatever you get from it, I am to get double." "Never," cried the farmer. "That would be the old business all again." "Not at all," replied the wicked moneylender. "You will have your share. Now, don't be dog in the manger, for if you get all you want, what can it matter to you if I am rich or poor?" At last, the farmer agreed to the bargain, and this was in the mind of the farmer day and night until he had no satisfaction out of anything he did get. There came a very dry season, and the farmer's crop withered for want of rain. He blew his conch and asked for a well to water them. He got one well, and as a bargain, the moneylender got two wells. This was too much for any farmer to stand, and he became jealous of the moneylender. He thought over it, and he again blew the conch and wished him to be blind from one eye, and in place of this, the moneylender became blind for both the eyes, and so he was not able to see. One day he was passing through the wells and accidentally fell into the well and got drowned. So children, what is the message? What is the moral of this story? That we should not be envy of anyone. The farmer got a well, the farmer got an ox, but he was jealous of the moneylender, that why he was getting double of the things in place of one. So this led to the disaster for the farmer also. He lost one of his eyes, and he should not be jealous of the moneylender. Instead, he should be thankful to Ram for giving a conch and for fulfilling his wishes. That's all for this video, children. Thank you.